In today's episode, Aust and Dad experiments with dry ice.
Today, me and my dad are doing experiment with dry ice. My name's Oster, and welcome to my show called Aust The Boss. If you like what you see, come along. Me and my dad got a bowl and put halfway with water in, and then we put dry ice in it, and then we put soap. We put bubbles around the edges of the bowl.
If you can't be right, I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. When I'm away from you, I miss your touch. You're the reason I believe in love. It's been difficult for me to trust, and I'm afraid that I'm leaving from love. Ain't no way that I can leave you astray.
Let's go. Don't bud. Let's go.
Look at this.
Whoa.
I'm gonna pop it.
Don't pop it. Let it pop by itself.
Just pause it as well. It's no way.
This is crazy, Austin.
Oh, look at the colors. Look at it reflect. Is it reflecting or is
It's reflecting just us.
it just us?
Look, it's reflecting the sink.
Wow. It's like moving around too. Look at it.
Pop it.
Let's see when it pops. This thing's going crazy.
We're gonna sell this on the internet.
Is it crazy?
Whoa.
Pop it.
Don't pop it, bruh.
Why is it so?
Gas is
Look at the bottom.
Yeah, I can see it. It's floating up.
Ooh, that's crazy. I think it just went how we're showing the bubbles. How we're showing the bubbles.